In the world of manufacturing, challenges often lead to innovation. At IQS Engineering Solutions, we thrive on turning challenges into opportunities. Take, for instance, the case of Duranz, a material grade highly sought after in the North American market for grounding clamps and electrical fittings. Traditionally, these components were made as castings due to the alloy's properties. However, when a client approached us with the challenge of forging these parts, we knew it was time to innovate. We dived deep into metallurgy, exploring proprietary processes to make forgings feasible. The goal was clear: to enhance strength, precision, and reliability through zero porosity. The benefits were evident. With forgings, we achieved double the strength required, allowing for more competitive and ergonomic designs. Plus, the clarity and precision lettering on the product improved significantly. Over 8 to 10 months of rigorous testing and refinement, we overcame numerous challenges. Our expertise in metallurgy, heat treatment, and forging design propelled us forward. Today, IQS Engineering Solutions stands as a pioneer in India for converting C95600 castings into forgings. Connect with IQS Engineering Solutions today and discover the power of innovation. Contact us now to explore forging solutions for your next project.